That's the Tesla I was on about, the dents are on that side bit there. Filled them. And then we've got that there to do on the front. I think that'll just prime. Yeah, so I'll come back to you when we're rubbing back. If I can get Mikey on it filming, I'll film a bit more. Yeah. The first stage. Say that, mate. You can't hear me. This is the first stage of the paint going on now. Then he'll have to go back, clean the gun out, and put the second stage on. So there you go, there's the front bumper, all shiny and repaired. 3-stage peerless paint. As you can still see it there, look. And around here, door done, all repaired and done. All nice and shiny. Yeah, so there you go.